Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy F22 and I'm gonna show you how to reset the camera settings on this device. Let's start by opening the camera app. I'm gonna swipe upwards on the screen to open the app menu and then tap on the camera icon to open the app. In the camera app, let's tap on this settings icon right here in the top left corner to open the settings, and in settings let's scroll all the way down like this, and at the bottom you should have the option called reset settings. Let's tap on it, then tap on reset to confirm and reset our camera settings to default. And that's how you reset the camera settings on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.